Welcome back to another adventure. So if you saw the title, this still to date, and I've done like 3 or 4 rides after this one, is like the worst trail of my life. Now, it has a lot of different names: Black Canyon Creek, Turkey Creek, Backway to Cleator. All the names for this trail are listed in my description. If you take the GPX file that I have in the description, I started in Rock Springs and I took back roads and then hopped on the nice easy dirt road going up to like Crown King, and then I show where the turnoff is. So this is the normal Crown King road, but you turn left here and you start going through this creek, and it is just gnarly terrain. So today we start right here and we get up to about, I don't know, somewhere in this area, and it is just rough. This trail definitely sharpened my skills. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's get to the action. So the part that is going to intimidate me today is going to be all the sand washes and creek crossings. Oh yeah, we're dropping into some fun stuff already. Oh, yeah, it might be this all day, guys. Just battling loose rock. This is where speed is your friend. Get up here on some ground that doesn't have so much loose rock on it. I mean, this is all loose rock, guys. Hardly none of this is planted in the ground. It's hard on a dirt bike. Unless they kick your tire out. I feel like you're riding on dinner plates. They're like constantly moving around underneath your tires. If I can explain that to you. And sometimes they just move your whole bike out of the road. Here you guys go. Creek crossings. Loose sand. I'm happy for the sand. I don't see that very often. I'm glad we don't have to go back up that. Jeez. Alright, creek crossing number 1, guys. I'm going to count them off to you guys. And it looks like we go to the right. I'm not going up that. Heck no. I will go left and around it. I do not want to go up that. Here we go, go! Whew, that was deep! Real deep, guys. Whew. Boots are wet already. Boots are just gonna be wet today. Alright, I gotta stop and check GPS. Alright, so it does look like we have to climb this one. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, go! Not done yet. Really rocky. Really rocky. Ah, shouldn't have stopped. Shouldn't have stopped. We got this. We got this. 1, 2, 3, go.
We made it, guys. Oh, we're doing great. Alright, I made it. My legs were out there flailing around like pontoons. Oh, that was tricky, but we made it. Thank God. Thank the good Lord. I hate that loose rock stuff. This doesn't look too bad. It is loose rock though, but it's not steep and rutted out like what we did just climb. Cross it over. Rutted. Ah, yeah. Alright. Up here is back on the trail from the other side of that sand wash that I didn't want to climb. He just came up. I gotta get some water, guys. Alright, guys. Praying we can make it the rest of the way. The rest of the way is, well, kind of like that. Especially when you get down near the creek. Bumpy. Oh, nice soft sand section. Never thought I'd be so happy to see a nice soft sand section. Yeah, I never professed to be the greatest dual sport dirt bike guy. I didn't grow up doing this for 30 years or whatever. I haven't ridden every gnarly Widowmaker motorcycle under the sun, you know. I'm learning. Maybe you guys are learning from me. When I stopped, took a break, and got water, front tire felt really soft. Probably should have checked the tire pressure, but I did air down a lot today because I knew I'd be in this kind of stuff. Rear tire has a rim lock, so I'm not really worried about it. Plus it's a Dunlop D606, so it's got a real hard shell to it. I don't think there's anything that can hurt that tire, but maybe. The front felt really soft, so worrying about that right now. I'll check it again on my next stop. But, you know, a real soft front tire means better traction. As long as it's not flat, it comes off the bead, and I have to stop and change a tube out here in the middle of nowhere. I can do this, guys. If it was like this the rest of the way, that would be fantastic. But from the YouTube videos, I know it's not. Climbing an elevation kind of worries me. I thought we'd be running along that wash the whole while. See, that's why sometimes you don't get the full experience when guys make YouTube videos that cut out sections. I would have never known that there was going to be, you know, this much climbing. I thought I'd be down there running the wash the whole time. Oh wow. Weird rock formation. Kind of looked like an old busted down car there coming around the hill. Just a really weird rock formation. Got a little bit of descent, not bad, not bad. Take the easy way right here on the right. Oh, in the rut, crossover. Climbing, looks like a nice easy path right there on the right. Nice. We're making it, guys. Yeah, like I said, if it's like this the rest of the way, we're good. Golden. So I use Gaia GPS and I don't like it. I'm gonna probably transition to Onyx here soon. You gotta pay for it. But anyway, on Gaia, there's a part of this road that's not even like shown. And you have to like connect two roads. And yeah, it gets pretty gnarly. But we got this. We're gonna conquer it today. We're gonna ride today like we've never ridden before. Up and down, up and down. Come to these washed out sections that have a big bump at the bottom. Climb back up the rocks. Up and down. Oh, that down looks like kind of a drop off. Back up. And back down. Steeper. Each time these are getting worse and worse. Climbing. Oh yeah, nice. Tires on good side bite right there. In the rut. Little tractor. Got some torque. Oh, how bad's this down gonna be? Oh, it's not too bad. It's got some washouts in it, but if we stay here on the right, good. Now we're gonna climb again. This thing is a little tractor. I mean, it's got the down low torque. Steep drop off. Oh, it's gonna be a hill, guys. You guys can't see it on camera, but it is a hill. Alright, got this. Made it. Oh, these are just getting worse and worse. Up and down, up and down. In the rut, made it. There's not a lot of loose rock on it. Loose pebbles, but no big ones. Oh, geez. We're just going in the rut, guys. That was way off camber. Let me go to the left over here. Going in the rut because the rear tire's starting to slide. Making it. Oh yeah, we're making it. Now we're dropping. Now we're dropping. We're gonna drop down to the sand wash. big, huge rut. Just trying to go up here. Nice. Good save. Didn't end up in a rut. Right next to a canyon wall. Oh yeah, there I can see the wash down there now again. We're gonna be crossing that a few more times today. That one back there was the deepest water I've ever been in on this motorcycle. If I split this episode up, maybe in the previous episode, but yeah, it was deep. Luckily the air intake on this kind of has a snorkel to it. Making it. Tell it's very well traveled, so I'll break my leg out here. Maybe someone come along and scoot me off the road. Climbing. Side hill, good side bite. Alright, my map says go left. So we're going left, and it looks rocky. But hold on, let me check the maps, guys. Yeah, going right doesn't really buy us anything. But I see a road on the other side of this hill, and I do not want to be climbing that. I don't know if you guys can see it way up there, but it looks like we are going to climb it. We got this, guys. We got this. We have to, we'll walk it. Steep, rocky sections. Doesn't look that bad as we get closer to it. I mean, definitely climb, but okay, I'm evaluating lines. It is steep. We're gonna go to the right, and we're gonna cross and zigzag. 1, 2, 3, go! Ah, that was a fast dismount, guys. And we're walking it. Oh, this is gonna be hell.